Error provider. Most window form application will need to validate user input. We could inform users with the help of error provider if they make a processing error before continuing forward. The error forward control is most useful in displaying error associated with data entry and text on a window form. Next control is event log. The event log nodes give us the machine's events logs. Using the event log class, we can read from the existing log, write entries to the event log and respond to the entries. Message queue. Message queue is a messages infrastructure and a development platform for creating distributed messaging application for the Microsoft Windows operating system. Messages queuing application use the message queuing infrastructure to communicate heterogeneous network and with computer that may be offline. Background worker. The background components allow a form to run operations asynchronously. This is very useful when we deal with such kinds of operation on database transaction or image download. Now we have some examples of error provider and message queue, image list, etc. So open a project, type the name, press OK. Now take two text box, two label, and one button. Change the text property of first label to user and second to password. And button to login. Now double click on button and write the code. Before this, we have to take a error provider. Now double click on button and write the code as error provider 1 dot set error control name text box 1 and message. Please enter correct username. This error provider will run if text box 1 dot text equal to not equal to Anuj. Now go to design part and write the code as if text box to dot text not equal to jha, then show error message. Error provider 1 dot set error on text box to password not match. And now run the project. Enter here username Anuj Jha, password and login. Then it is okay. But if we write wrong username and press OK, then there is a error. Please enter a valid username. If we write wrong password like this, and press login, then there is also a error message. If we want that our password will in encrypted form, then select this text box and change the property password char asterisk okay, only one. Now run the project and now password is now in encrypted form. This is the main use of error provider. Next, some useful control, but generally it is not used in project. That is event log, that is used for an event help provider. Image list contains one time many image. Message queue for show the queue of message, and this is the process. Performance counter, show the performance.